Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Airtable for deal tracking pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Airtable account and log in. Create a new base for your deal tracking pipeline. Choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your needs. Add necessary fields such as deal name, stage, value, and timeline. Customize field types to fit your specific requirements. For tracking stages, consider using a single select field. Add additional fields for notes, contacts, and follow-up dates. Once your base is set up, navigate to the API section of Airtable. Generate an API key for accessing your base programmatically. Copy the base ID from the API documentation provided by Airtable. Next, open your coding environment or automation tool. Install any required libraries for Airtable integration. For Python, install the Airtable package using pip. Connect to your Airtable base using your base ID and API key. Use the create, read, update, and delete methods to manage your deals. Create a function to add new deals to your pipeline. Implement a function to update the status of existing deals. Set up a function to delete deals that are no longer relevant. Test your functions to verify they're working correctly. Utilize Airtable's views to visually track your deals based on different stages. Consider setting up notifications for follow-up reminders. Explore integrations with tools like Zapier for automated actions. Regularly review your pipeline to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Adjust your base structure as needed based on your evolving workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.